welcome back to my channel. It's Ash and this is All That Ash. So it's been a minute since I've been on here, since I've done a video and everything, but we literally have moved into our place. I got a new camera, like I set up my lighting, like everything has changed and it's amazing, you guys. Like it's so bomb and it's so much fun. Like I just been trying to adjust and get everything together, you know what I'm saying? I've been gone for a minute, but I wasn't gonna come back on some bullshit. I came back and had my stuff upgraded. Yeah. Well, anyway, so mini rant before I even like actually started this video. So hey, what's up you guys? I'm Ash. If you're new here, what's up? Nice to meet you. Thanks for stopping by, honey. If you're not new here, what's up you guys? Thanks for coming back for another video. I missed you guys. I love you guys. I missed you. I'm so sorry. But I love this setup and everything and my camera. I finally got a Canon, you guys. I finally got a fucking Canon. And the quality, the lighting, the way that everything just kind of flows right now is like a yes, yes. That was my fizz face if you guys didn't see it. I don't know what the hell I'm doing right now. I'm just happy. I'm excited. And I'm glad that I'm finally freaking done with it. So anyways, if you are not subscribed to my channel, you need to go ahead and subscribe. Do it. Give this video a thumbs up. Click. Click. That's the subscribe button. Just in case you didn't know. I'm going to have it somewhere sitting on the screen for you to click it, honey. And anyway, so yeah, if you do want to see how I got this look, I live. Go ahead and keep on watching, okay? All right, love. So starting off with my brows already done, we're going to do the eyes. And I'm going to take this Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. And this light shade, I believe it was called Cream. I'm going to use this as my base. I love this as a base because it's super thick. So it doesn't move and it doesn't crease very easily. So I actually really, really love this. So I'm going to just put it all over my eyes. Next, I'm going to take this Life is a Party palette by Makeup Obsessions. I got this in Target. I'm going to take these two shades right here on the bottom, and I'm going to just set the concealer. All right, so now I'm going to take this purple shade, and I'm going to put that all in my crease. I'm going to tap it on first because I want to kind of just place the color. And then I'm going to go back in and blend it out in sweeping motions. So I'm using a fluffy brush so that way it kind of diffuses the color. We're going to keep building it though. All right, now I'm going to take this darker kind of reddish shade and I'm going to put that on the outer corner and then in the crease, and then I'm going to blend those together. All right, so taking a brush that has no product, I'm going to just kind of diffuse underneath my brow line so that way it's kind of more airbrushed. Now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to go back in with that Anastasia. And this is a flat brush. And I'm going to just kind of map out where I want my crease to be. I'm telling you guys, this cream contour for cutting creases and concealer and the base and stuff, it's bomb. I really, really like it. You just have to like super blend it because it's thick. And then this is the Kylie Jenner from her Stormi collection when Stormi was first born. I'm going to take that pastel purple shade. It's a matte. And I'm going to just tap that on. I love this color. It's super like lilac, lavender. Now I'm going to go over it with this shimmer shade. So the glitters that are in this shimmer, and look at all the fallout, you guys. My God. I'm glad I didn't do my foundation first. But this has kind of like blue, like icy pigments in it. So it looks kind of like I'm putting a little bluish hint to it. Now I'm going to take that kind of purple red again, and I'm going to just blend that into the outer corners and then into the crease. I was talking to my bestie on FaceTime, so I was laughing because I was doing my makeup. And then I'm going to take that reddish shade again, and I'm going to just do the same thing and blend it in. I love how this looks, you guys. Next, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive, and this is some glitter I got from Amazon. I have all the links below. This glitter is so freaking cute. I'm going to just put on the glitter adhesive and then tap on the glitter. This glitter is so cute. And you know what? I freaking spilled it. After I did this, I like flipped the whole thing over onto the floor. I was so mad because it comes in like a set of like 8 different glitters or something. So I have to buy it all over again if I want that. Oh my gosh. Well, anyway, so now I'm going to put the glitter adhesive kind of to cut my crease again. So I actually thought this was really fun when I did this. I love this. Just kind of gives it that extra pop, you know? Yes, honey. Now the other side. I live. And it's so relaxing just watching me tap glitter, right? At least for me, it's soothing. Makeup therapy. Yes, honey. That is so cute. All right, so now these lashes I got at a beauty supply store. So I just popped those on real quick. Now I'm going to blend them with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Just want to make sure you can't tell, you know, where your lashes are in the falsies. All right, now I'm going to clean up the fallout with this makeup remover wipe by Neutrogena. These are bomb, you guys. At Sam's Club, they have a huge pack for like 20 bucks. Totally worth the money. Because in the regular store, for just 2 packs, it's like $8. So, you know, you get like 5 and 10 minis or something. So yeah, now that I'm done cleaning up my face, I'm going to do my primer. This is MILANI's Green Goddess. This has weed in it, supposedly. Or it's like sativa seed oil, which I love. And then the Angel Veil primer by NYX. So I like mixing these two because the Green Goddess one is super sticky, so it's a wonderful base for your foundation. And then the Angel Veil is really good for your pores. So it's kind of mattifying and everything. So I liked mixing the two because then it not only fills my pores and gives me like the matte I'm looking for, but it's sticky. So then my products stick really, really well. So I'm going to just smear this all over my face. Smearing, spreading. Yes, honey. I put way too much on my freaking forehead, so I had to wipe some off on my towel. Yeah. So there's that. But it works bomb, I'm telling you. Like, I wore this to a party one night. Like the primer, I used the primer for my friend's party. And my makeup looked bomb all night. So this is the Click Cover Concealer in orange from Absolute New York. I'm going to just color correct. I have like a lot of darkness. My skin's been changing because of the weather. So I start peeling and I have mad sideburns, you guys. So I also use it on the sides. I mean, I don't really care, but, you know, just for a flawless makeup application, it's necessary. So I'm going to just blend this out. You know, and then this orange is supposed to counteract the darkness, so that way when I do put the foundation and stuff on, there's no kind of funky colors going on. Like everything is literally going to stay the same. So this is MILANI's Screen Queen foundation. I believe the color's Toasted Tawny. This formula is beautiful. I love how it blends. I love the coverage. I did not have to put more than just one layer. You guys will see, obviously, but I use a tapping motion to put it into the skin. And then after I've placed all the foundation, then I go ahead and kind of buff it out. So that way I get a more flawless coverage. And then after I do lots and lots of blending, you guys. Like, I love seamless coverage. I can't even talk today. So yeah, and then I just look at how flawless, like it just made my skin. It's seriously just... It's so creamy and beautiful, and I love the color. They did bomb on creating this color, yo. So now that I've blended everything out, I'm taking this beauty blender. So if there's any excess foundation, the beauty blender is going to absorb it. So that way I don't have kind of like cakey foundation, you know, or any kind of bumps. It also is just like an additional smoother. You know, so now I'm going to do my concealer. I'm going to take this darker shade. I don't know what it's called. I forgot to check. I'm sorry. But it's right underneath the cream one. And so I mixed that one with the cream. So that way I could get just a subtle highlight. I'm not crazy about under eye highlights. Some people it works for. For me, I just don't like it. It's too much. So I like something closer to my natural skin tone and then just like a pop of highlight. So it's probably like a shade or two lighter than my skin. So I'm going to just tap that on and just place it. And like I said, this contour kit, the concealer is really, really thick. It's super creamy and it's beautiful. Like it's flawless on the skin, but it's still thick. So you have to make sure you blend it out really, really well. So I make sure that everything is super blended, especially under the eyes, because that's where I put the orange. So we don't want that to show through. You want to focus it on all of the spots that you feel like you need the most coverage. I'm going to go and just put a little more highlight. So this is the Stay Matte by Rimmel London. I barely put any. So like I said, I want it to be super subtle. So I'm going to just blend that in and concentrate right there on the inner corners where I have the most darkness. I just wanted a little something more. That's all. Yeah, you can see it right there. And just make sure you blend out the corners. This is the Hydra Mist powder by BECCA Cosmetics. You guys, when this goes on, it feels like water, like it's cold. It's so freaking weird, but look at how bomb that coverage is. Like, it instantly mattified me, but it also just, I look airbrushed. Like, it feels so good when you put it on your skin, and look how it just melts in. Oh my gosh, I fell in love with this powder. And I got this, I think, from like TJ Maxx, and it was only like $6.99 or $10, dude. Don't sleep on this powder. They only have like 2 different shades, so I don't believe it's for everybody. There's like a light and then a medium or something. I was listening to some music. I was jamming, you guys. Hey, yes, honey, get it, girl. Now I'm going to set my face with this Energizing Toner Refresher by Hard Candy. You guys hear my baby in the background? He's playing. So now that I've sprayed that, I'm going to let that dry before I start warming up my face with bronzer. This is the Pro Bronzer by Absolute New York. I'm going to just, you know, do my contour. This is so cute, you guys. And I can't even get over, like, the quality and everything. Like, my new camera's bomb, you guys. Like, look. You guys are getting me in HD. For real. Like, I look cute AF. All right, sorry, you guys. Back to the blending. I'm just, like, really proud. And I'm really excited because, like, I'm finally getting what I want out of my videos type shit. Yes, honey. Anyway, so yeah, so we're gonna keep contouring and just make sure it's nice and cute. Hey, girl. So now I'm gonna take this Hello Halo blush lighter. So it's a duo from Wet n Wild. So I'm gonna just take this blush and just tap it onto my face. I love the tapping motion. Or like the tapping method. I don't know. I've always loved doing that. I don't really like to sweep or, you know, do anything other than that because I feel like it makes your blush really streaky. So it has some reflex in it, so it kind of looked like a little highlighter too, honey. But this highlighter's bomb. Look at, my skin just looks wet. It looks glistening. It's glowing. Yes, honey, give me life. Oh my gosh, I live. And then I'm gonna blend that also under my brow because that's the highlight I used, you know? Remember? Yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at that. Like, oh my gosh, reflex for days. Glow to the gods, baby. I'm dying. And the brush I'm using to apply is a, oh my gosh. What is the brand? Dang, I'm like really stuck right now. It's not BECCA. I don't know, but it's a dual-ended brush. So I really, really like it. Now I'm going to contour my nose a bit. I just kind of love how this blended out. Like, it's kind of like a fluffy brush, not a nose brush. But yes, and then gotta highlight the Cupid's bow. That's my favorite highlight. Like somebody said on a TV show, it's like a sweaty upper lip. But I don't think so. I'm gonna set my entire face now with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Finish Matte Setting Spray. It's a mouthful. But yes, and then I'm tapping off the gloss so that way I could do my lips after I finish my eyes. So I'm going to take the first shade. I believe it's like Party and something else. But I'm going to just blend that underneath to pull the eyes together. And then that red shade. So it's like a pinky red. And then I'm going to go back with this Kylie Jenner palette. And I'm going to do my inner corners again. Yes. Yes, honey. I couldn't do this when I was trying to do my concealer because it would have just messed it up. But now to the lips. I'm going to take this dark brown bold lip liner by NK Makeup. I got this at a beauty supply store also. I'm going to just outline my lips. My gosh. I freaking love it. Yes. And then I'm going to kind of round out the edges a little bit. I don't want such a sharp point on my top lip, so I'm going to kind of soften it and round it out a bit. Oh my gosh. All right, so now this is a Queen liquid lipstick. We got this in the BoxyCharm box in like, I don't remember what month, maybe it was January or something, but it's just kind of like a nude color, so I just blended that in, and then I'm gonna just tap it out with my fingers. And my god, you guys, with this whole quarantine, look at my nails. Like, my nails are effed up. I'm gonna have to like rip them off or see who can do them for me. But yes, and then of course put back my little upper lip highlight. Oh my gosh, I love it. And gotta add my moles, my Lil Monroe, and then my Labrae on the bottom. And then we done, so honey. We done. We finished. It's cute. Oh, just kidding. White liner. And then we're really done. Okay? White liner in the waterline. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you love it. I love it. I hope you had fun. I hope you guys decide to pick up that Kylie palette. It's springtime, so this was kind of like a fun spring look because this is pastel purple. And there's glitter, there's a cut crease, there's lashes, you know what I'm saying? All the stuff that you want, of course, to look bomb, honey. So if you did like this video, go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you need to go ahead and subscribe, okay? So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.